What's up, guys? We got a couple things to install today. As you see here, I got my fender flares painted, the front ones. I also got a couple brand new OEM taillights to install. So we'll get to that in a little bit, but first of all, I want to make this remote shifter kit update short and sweet. So basically, manufacturer of the short throw shifter bases that I have in my truck and that were required to use my kit, the manufacturer of those does not want them being used with any kind of custom shifter, anything other than the Hurst lever that comes with them, and he seems pretty mad about it. So I'm no longer selling the remote shifter kits for right now. I will be looking for another 5-speed truck to build a kit that works with a stock shifter in the future. I am looking right now, but I'm pretty busy with work, and the little bit of time I have, I'm messing around with stuff like this. So we'll be looking for another truck to build a kit that works with a stock shifter. So if you guys are still interested in a remote shifter, wait a little bit and hopefully I'll get a new kit made that does not require the short throw shifter. So a lot of you guys have seen that I do have a website now that I was selling remote shifter kits on, and I do still sell the modified 4x4 levers as of right now, but I do have a website. I'll put that on screen right now, and once I get the new kits made, if I do find a truck pretty soon, hopefully if I do get the kits made, I will put them up for sale on that website. So I'll put that on the screen now. And also, I wanted to change it up a little bit. I went with a white Hurst knob on here with my black MGW flat stick. So if I do end up building a new kit, we'll be doing the same old Camaro style, my favorite design, and I will have a couple MGW flat sticks. So look out for that in the coming future. Also, because of the short throw shifter situation, I have made all the content on my channel private that had anything to do with that. So you won't be able to find any of those videos anymore. Just because he was so adamant that I do not recommend anyone else to buy from him. And that's all I have to say about that. What I'm going to do is install the flares. So like you saw in my last couple videos, I did prime them myself, and then I ended up just sanding them and bringing them to a body shop, having them spray the paint. So looks to be a really good match, just holding them up there. So we'll see how they look. Make sure it's clean so they stick. I did put new 3M double-sided tape on there, so hopefully it sticks good, and I just got them tails started a little bit. So we'll get it on there and put a couple clips in, hold it in place. Here's the first look. Just got 2 clips holding in place temporary, make sure everything looks good. Looks like a pretty good match to me. So we'll finish installing it. We'll get that tape warm, so make sure it sticks good. This one, on the other hand, I think it is an OEM flare, but it's a little different. It does have that section all the way around where you can put tape. So I put one long strip. So we'll go ahead and install it now. Alright, got the flares on. I think the paint color match is about as good as it's gonna get. I just really wish my tailgate came out that color. The only thing that bothers me a little bit, it can't really do anything about it, is on all these body lines they don't really line up, but other than that they look really good. And being OEM, that gonna fit as good as possible being OEM, so we'll have to get it outside in a while and see what it looks like from a little ways away. But I like the flares only if they're color matched. If they're just textured black, I don't like them on these trucks. So all right, let's get these taillights open now. I did get 2 brand new OEM taillights, like I said. They're from my Chevy dealer. They were about $100 a piece. I looked for used ones. Finding a good set of these used is pretty much impossible, so I think back in the day these were made in the USA, but they are unfortunately made in Taiwan now. But they are a GM part number on there, so I'm happy with them. So there they are. I had a lot of people asking me why I wanted to go back to OEM when I have these nice LED ones. I always like the style of these taillights. I think they're a signature style of these trucks, the 03 to 06 Silverado. The GMCs don't have taillights like this, and the 99 to 02 Silverados are just a flat, smooth taillight like this too. So these have this different shape on them, and I always kind of liked them. So I always like OEM parts too, and I don't know, that's why I like them. I think they look good. So we'll throw them on there now. There's the new OEM taillights installed. It looks like my brake lights aren't working, so I'll have to check into that, but there's just something about brand new OEM parts. Looks really good. Get another look at the flares. Looks like I won't be getting it outside tonight. I'll have to make another video pretty soon. Get it outside, maybe do a little wash. Do a little driving sometime. Also, I don't have a use for these taillights anymore. They're Spider brand. They're in really good condition. Had them on a couple different pickups, but only driven those pickups about 5,000 miles total with these on it. So they're really nice, and I don't have a use for them, so let me know if you're interested in buying these. Thanks for watching.